Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. One thing about me is that I'm going to read your comments, I'm going to reply your comments, and I'm going to listen to your comments. So I received a comment, or someone was asking me about my lipstick, and I decided to do a dedicated video of my signature lip. So guys, if you want to learn how to create these lips, then keep on watching. So as you can see, my lips are chapped, and we don't want that when we're applying our lipstick because it's going to look rough and it won't be nice to look at. So I like to go into my Vaseline. You guys know I love my Vaseline. If you haven't watched my video where I put Vaseline on my skin for 1 whole week, then you should check it out. I'll put the link in the description box or up here so you can watch it and see how my skin transformed with Vaseline. But that's not why you're here, right? So just going to apply the Vaseline on my lips just to moisturize it. As you can see, it looks so much better and yummy, and you can even leave the lips like this, but no. Now the next thing you're going to need is your brown eye pencil or lip pencil, whatever. So this is actually an eyebrow pencil, but I still use it for my lips, so it's all the same. So this is just a regular old brown eye pencil. Now you need to sharpen it because you want the tip to be really sharp so you can be able to get a precise line, as you can see. So I'm just going to outline my lips. So I don't have this Cupid's bow, and for a very long time I used to try to construct it, but I found out that what is really the need. So what I just do now is just follow the natural shape of my lips. I don't try to create a new lip. I just follow the natural shape of my lip because ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. Just going to keep on filling it in, so it's going to get thicker and thicker. Now I go on to the top. I start out from the Cupid's bow. Now I'm just going to put my lips like this so I can really see the shape and just fill it in even more. So for the top lip, I like to mimic the way my natural color of lips look like. Normally the top of my lips are much more darker than the bottom of my lips, so I try to mimic it with the lip pencil. So I'm going to use the lip pencil to fill in my lips more up than down. So I'm gonna be using this lipstick. This is a nude pinky lipstick, and it's almost finished, but I don't mind. I like the shade of it and I'm gonna use it. So as you can see from my lips, there's an obvious difference with the pink side and the dark side. So I'm gonna be using this pink lipstick to apply on the pink side. So you can see there's more of the pink showing at the bottom than at the top. So for the top, I'm just going to apply a very small amount of the pink, just so it won't just be completely dark at the top. I'm just going to mix it together, then use my hands to tap it in. So this is just a step to further blend it so there won't be an obvious line of demarcation. So it will just look like the colors are just blending into each other. Next thing I'm going to go into my powder. This is a contour powder, so I'm going to just rub a little bit on my hands and just use that to apply on the brown side because I feel like the color is kind of changing a bit to gray, and that's not what I want. This step is going to also help the lipstick stay on longer. You can also leave it like this, but I still feel like I need a little bit of oomph, so I'm gonna go into the white color from this contour palette and use that to apply on top of the pink I added. Now the next step, and the most important step of this whole thing, is gloss. So I like to use a regular lip gloss, which is thick and vibrant. So this is just a regular lip gloss, so I'm gonna go just apply it somewhere. So I'm going to be applying a lot of lip gloss because that's what gives it that yummy look that we all love. Personally, I like to apply more gloss at the top because I feel like it just gives it a very nice look. As you can see, doing your lipstick is actually quite easy, and you can use whatever you have to achieve this lips. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I actually do like it a lot, and I'm feeling it. I did a good job. I did a pretty good job. If you guys have any video requests, leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to fulfill all your video requests. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. And if you guys want to support my Lightroom preset, Meraki preset, you can check out my Instagram page, Meraki preset, or you can check out the link in the description box. My website is there, so you can shop your Lightroom preset and be a pro at editing. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You stay to this point, the least you can do is at least give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss an upload, guys, because I upload every Sunday and every other day of the week, so you don't want to miss out on this hot tea. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.